This is a short video on a 1999 Honda Civic. This should be the same for all Civic year 1996 to 2000. Looking online, trying to investigate and find out where the drain goes from the sunroof on the EX models. This is an example of how I found the exit hose. This is a right side fender with the fender off, and right here where the harness for the power door enters into the chassis, if you pull that plug out, right behind that plug you'll see and you'll find the drain hose. And in the case of my car, this drain hose was disconnected from the exit hose, which is this one right here. This exit hose goes into this hole, right? And it goes all the way into the car, and it comes out just like this. And that's where it's supposed to come out, right behind the back tire. So I pulled this out, and basically the way I'm going to fix it now is I'm going to connect it to the hose here, run it back in through the inside of the car under the dashboard, and push it back over to here and pull it out with a pair of pliers. So if you have a leak because your sunroof drain is pouring water into the right side passenger floor of your Civic, this is exactly how you go about finding the hose, and most likely it's disconnected here.